can't go any... I can't go back any further, you... I can't go back any further! Go past! I can't go back any further, go! I've got hedge that side! I can't... Yeah, there's a hedge back there and I can't really go back any further. Not now I can't, because there's a car behind me now.
Oh my god, if you moved over... Oh my Jesus Christ.
Look, I can't go back. I cannot go over any further because of there's a... I can't go any further because it's now down there. Got your camera for that.
Going into this car. I'm talking to him. Hello.
BBC Radio Manchester. Coming up, we're going to be having a bit of an information time, if you like, a bit of public service broadcasting on what you can and cannot do in different parts of Greece and Manchester. Obviously,
7 an hour, it's in Paltry, so Andy Burnham and the leaders around the table, including myself, are absolutely right to reject that £60 million deal and hold out for an increased offer.
What the fuck are you doing, you dick? Oh, what the fuck are you slowing down for? Fucking hell, they're out today.
This one here is more bad driving. The car in front. Go straight over the roundabout, don't give way to the right. There you go, bang. Car's turning right and he just comes straight in front of it. A little mini roundabout there. We all know to give way to the right.
Bishop, she bought a new sofa too, you know.
In the fire department, seriously, dude.
Oh, the old.
Absolute 80s. I'm not trying to take over your Google Home device, just imploring those listeners at the Googleplex to listen to something better than nerdcore cab jazz.